So, hello, I'm Mix Oligo from NPC. I have a few questions po. So, the first question po is, may I know your name and your current position here in sa office?
My name is Anwar Roseo and I'm barista here in Carmelo's Coffee Shop.
So, the first question po is, gaano na po kayo katagal dito sa coffee shop?
Actually, kaka 1 year ko lang nitong January. So, one year and 2 months na. Ayan.
So, ano po yung mga challenges po na na-encounter niyo po dito sa coffee shop?
I think one of the challenges is, I think mostly naman, yung behavior ng customer. Yeah. But the thing is, syempre, customer service. So,
We need patience.
yeah.
Then, so, the last question po is, ano po yung mga mai-advise niyo po sa mga future na gusto magtrabaho dito sa coffee shop?
One thing I can advise to the future worker kahit saan man sa coffee shop is to be patient, especially sa pagdating sa customer service, and dapat quality pa rin yung binibigay na service sa mga customer.
Yun lang po, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Ayun,